Good afternoon and Merry Christmas, people. So this is going to be a quick overview of the changes that came in 3.12 and 3.12.1. So starting with, I fixed a crash that can happen when you launch and don't have internet. What you're going to get now is you're going to get a dialogue telling you that you don't have connectivity. It's really not even that you don't have internet. It's that you don't actually have a network connection at all. All right. So first things first, in 3.12.1, I made a small change to officially support something. So if you look here, I have this device and I have this device, whatever. This device and this device are on two different networks. I have one of them is connected to a hotspot, and that's my internet source, and the other one is my Ethernet port, and that one has the rest of the devices on it. So what does this mean? It means you could keep your computer on the internet if you wanted to, and just have it connected through a second Ethernet port to your show network, and it would find the lights and have access to them. All right. So now let's go into the layout tools. So first thing I did in here was import is much faster. If you imported a, let's say, a 1500 node 3D device, I tested this myself. It took 10 minutes to import the dang thing, and if it had an error in the layout, in the no, in the definition, then it would tell you when it was done that it failed. Now that takes about 1 second. It's a major change in the logic. All right. So what else did we hear? Keep in mind that Xlights has to fix a bug in their exporter because it's currently exporting the wrong node. That's going to be fixed after release 2023.20, which is the current latest. So I also made a change to this. You make a selection, it rotates in place. It also speeds up after a couple seconds, so it runs faster. Kind of hard to tell with a small selection, so let's select a bunch of stuff. Scale's the same way. Scale speeds up after a few seconds. This works both ways. It spins in place. So what about rotating this way, though? This is added in 3.12.1. Now you can do this or this. So, and inside here we have, if you didn't want to do that the hard way, you also can now just go flip horizontal. You can go flip vertical. And you wouldn't be able to tell on a 2D, but you can also do flip on Z-axis. Probably should hide that button. I've hid the other two. So I believe that's all of the changes. So the main focus of this was the layout editor. So if you guys like using the layout editor, now you got some more options. Anyway, that's all I have. John out, and Merry Christmas.